Hi.
Bro, who are you doing that to?
Hey!
Put your dick in your pants.
Scooby-Doo.
That's crazy. I have just one thing to say to you.
Oh shit!
Kid.
That's great. Now get back against the wall.
But that's okay,
Right, what's going on?
cause I did what everyone said a kid couldn't do. I made it to Shell City, and I beat the Cyclops, and I rode the Hasselhoff, and I brought the crown back.
All right, we get the point.
So yeah, I'm a kid, and I'm also a goofball, and a wingnut, and a knucklehead McSnagatron.
What's going on here?
But most of all, I'm...
Hey, settle down.
I'm...
Take it easy. What the scallop? I'm a goofy goober!
Warren Sapp is a hungry man.
Oh! My niggas! What's up?
Yo, what you say, nigga? Hey, god damn. Yo, I'm gonna race you,
sorry,
bro.
I didn't
Put
know
on
it
your
was a
fucking
bad
pants, nigga.
word.
Put on those
No!
pants, nigga. Hey, yo,
So
kid,
late,
yo,
these
fucking
niggas'
pants. Shut up, bitch. What's going on?
Pops, do you know what you've just done?
What?
You've awakened the Hotep.
Damn straight. We was kangs, nigga. Now come here so I can fuck you in the ass, bitch.
Oh, dude, Rigby, you know what this means? What? Race war time. Whoa!
Hi, and Rigby. Get back to work! Watch out,
Benson! Dude, not cool.
Man, what you goddamn Gucci Louis looking at, man? What the fuck you doing, bro? Berries and cream looking ass nigga? What the fuck is you? What's your name, bitch?
My name is Mordecai. I'm a champion of the white race.
Siege hell.
Back home before he start crying some more. Loser.
Come on, Pops. Let's go.
No! Now you listen. What
can you do, Maya? I can suss...
Welcome to Top 10 Most Amazing People of the World. At number 10, Adolf Hitler, the man who created internet. We would not be the civilization we are without him. Number 9, 7-Eleven people, providing Hispanic niggas with Takis since day one. At number 8, we have Kim Ling Ling. He created Fortnite. Number 7, Rosa Parks. She tried keeping her seat but got yeeted to the back of the bus. Number 6, Floyd Money Mayweather kept a 50-0 streak. At number 5, Logan Paul helped raise millions for suicide awareness. At number 4, Black Panther. He invented the N-word. At number 3, ROTC niggas keeping America safe. At number 2, Timmy Thick. Some people think this is God and it's...